guys. Today we're making
cotton candy slime. I'm making the blue one. She's making the pink one. My name is Jamie. Her name is Summer. This is our second video. So, yeah, let's get...
And we're going to be using nail polish to color.
And paint.
And paint, yes.
So, let's get started. So now, we're going to use our glue first.
I lost my part.
I'm using this container, but we're going to mix them at the end.
You do it first.
Should we get a measuring cup?
No.
To do the same stuff? Okay. Taking this out first.
Mine's bigger though. Mine's gonna be bigger. It's pink. Look at this pink. It's hot. Pink. Pretty. Look at the blue. So pretty.
It's kind of
yours is glittery.
Yeah. So this is how we're gonna like pour it in. Where did my blue go? See? Just gotta wait.
Where's yours?
Gotta wait.
This is how much I pour.
Mine's spread.
Oh, I'm itchy. Why are you using that? I'm just gonna pour it.
Look, it's not pouring.
See?
There, I got one drop. Got 2 drops, 3 drops.
There you go, I got a whole bunch.
4 drops.
I got a whole bunch. Let's go.
And then I gotta get my paint. I don't want my paint.
I need to get my floor. No, it's dirty.
Okay, well, I'm back. There's nothing other stuff, so.
Since that was from yesterday, we use these too.
I'll pick it up
I
later.
don't want to break it. I don't want to break them. So, you.
Are they going away?
Yeah. Hold on. Just woke up.
There. Good morning. Yes. So now I'm gonna mix it.
Yes. Mixy, mixy. Look how cool that looks. The stinks. I hate the smell of nail polish.
That's why I put paint in mine. Oh, okay, it still stinks.
Yeah. It's too overpowering. It's staying on one side.
So look at my color. I went to go get this color. I would
Yeah,
want
it's too light.
No, that's perfect. It's like a beautiful...
Look how pretty that is. Whoa, but it's just drooped over it. Oh man, I'm tired already with left hand. I can't do it though. This is my bad hand. I can't stir it.
So right now I'm going to pour a little bit of baking soda on the table because you don't want to pour too much, because if you pour too much, then it's going to be all like stringy
and wet. And you can feel that baking soda in it.
Yes.
Jimmy, yours is a little bit glittery.
No, you don't even see the glitter.
There you go.
Okay, yeah, you do, but there's like 1 drop of glitter. So this
do you have glitter in ours?
No.
At the end.
Well, because there's no glitter in cotton candy.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Can we have our marshmallows?
Summer's passed out.
No, not for breakfast.
Oh yeah, after breakfast, right?
Um.
I'm making YouTube. I'm gonna put a little bit in my bowl too. There. Look, mine's already activating. Okay. So I think all the baking soda is mixed in.
Yeah, me too. And now I'm gonna go and add sailing solution.
Yeah, now we're adding sailing solution.
Sorry.
Oh.
Is it even working yet?
So I added 2 drops just for my start.
Well, because yours is smaller than mine.
Because I don't want mine to, like,
Sorry if I not
be droopy.
It's going to be droopy at first. I'm going on the side so it doesn't, like, make too much mess. Oh, mine's so droopy.
Oh, we just got a notification, but I didn't see it.
There's some more baking soda.
I think I do too.
Oh, God, now it's really working. See, look at that, Jamie. Look at that. See it?
Bless me.
Perfect. Yeah, bless me. If I just say bless me,
Comment bless you in the comments.
down below. Ugh, there's a tiring. Look, it's really close. My mom loves this color. Mommy, come here.
She's gonna smell it. She's gonna say it smells.
Mommy, come here.
Hang on.
Yeah, a little bit more. Mom loves this color.
Oh, okay, too dry.
This one. Stir. Oh, it's getting really hard to stir. See, I don't touch it. Oh, it's really.
It's slimy, but
Yeah, I'm rolling up my sleeves. Oh, it's so droopy.
see, mine is not ready, but it will be ready. I think I need to add a little bit more baking powder. So I'll throw it in real quick.
Jamie, can you scoop it out for me?
All of it?
Alright. I'm gonna go to the water. Oh,
Who's
there's
it?
one at the door.
Yeah, did you not see
Yeah, I
that?
know.
Him?
Him. Mom? Mommy? I have a question for you. Why did Danica sleep downstairs yesterday? Yeah, but she was watching TV.
So my slime's coming to
Yeah, you turned on Grey's Anatomy? You put Grey's Anatomy on? Oh,
So mine's coming together, see?
go with your hand. I not want it
I
like
will
that.
in a minute.
Go with one hand. So sometimes I push it. Hi, Pippa.
I'm gonna mix it in the container because in our first video, I made this nice pink glossy slime, and this is how I made it. Like I just
She named it bubblegum slime.
pink, glossy, and bubblegum slime.
Oh, mine's glossy. The pink one's glossy now. Look. It's super stretchy.
Yeah, so
mine's
mine's not
smaller
ready
than
because
yours.
I'm slower than Summer, and I'm not really fast. I like to take my time.
Yeah, but I don't know fast.
So this is what it looks like so far.
You need sanding
It looks
solution?
pretty.
You need sanding solution?
Yeah. Oh my god, it stinks. That might have
Sprayed
been
the
so
table.
much.
No.
And you sprayed me.
Sorry. That's yours. Get your slime off the table. Ooh. No! I'm missing the other. I'm gonna get my slime off my stick. It went all the way up here. Oh, and the that was
move your
because
hand.
I with nail polish.
Okay.
Yes. Out of my face. Not out of my face too.
Y'all upset my bag.
It passes the bubble test.
I'm just gonna get the Access slime off my pants. Look at it.
Oh, and the bubble test, but it popped.
No, my stick got stuck. Someone get it out.
Oh, I touched it.
Oh!
Oh, well, take it off when it's ready. No!
Oh, it's Summer.
It drooped. Okay, it drooped. Ew, there's like a sunflower seed in it. Okay.
Mine's not ready. I need to get
Let's put my nail
this-
polish in.
off. Like, look how small it is when there's not all of this off the container. So mine makes the click noise.
Pass. What about the bubble test?
I have to get all the slime off though. Why are you adding? Oh,
Not anymore.
you're adding glitter. I was like, why are you adding glitter, Summer?
I'm not. I'm adding paint.
Oh,
The nail
jeez.
polish.
It's still a little bit sticky.
Oh, did you see that? Oh, look. So cool.
She's trying to make dark pink.
Yeah, I don't want to light pink.
I have a baby blue because I didn't add a lot of the paint.
Good enough. Yeah, come on. She likes it. Okay. Mommy!
She's gonna be back. So now I'm gonna take this off. So, my container's not skinny.
Oh, my mom likes to smell nail polish.
Okay,
So stressed.
well now we're gonna move all of our stuff out of the way so you guys can see when we mix it. So, first, I'm gonna check mine if it does bubbles, cause I made so in cotton candy, pink shows more than blue. So Summer did a bigger pink than blue because I did blue, but I did a little blue. She did a big pink. So we're gonna mix them together later, but we're just gonna play with it for now. And we're gonna take some questions. So from my sister, she asked us, what is your favorite animal? Mine's a rabbit because I have a little cute rabbit at home.
Mine's a rabbit.
Your dad never picked up that bag?
Oh damn.
It's there.
Mommy, you
then I
want
guess
to
when
play?
Jade came in, she forgot.
She never said anything.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah.
It's on my hands.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it.
Right here.
In a slime swirl, right?
Oh, okay.
Roll it into mine.
Oh, look at it.
I never got to touch yours.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Ready?
Does that door always open?
Okay, now it's drooping. That's why.
Okay, ready? Slime swirls. Quick, 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 go. Oh, oh, look at it.
No.
It's like one of those, like, you know, those DIYs.
It's not open and it's
That DIY video. And now I'm mixing it because I want to try.
It's gonna turn purple. It's
Yeah. Slime swirl.
My lips are moving. My lips are moving. La 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 la.
So we're gonna go back on the trampoline later. So that took 12 minutes for us to do, or 13. Now it's just a light pink, but that was really fun to make. So this is called cotton
Candy
candy.
slime.
Make this a trend on YouTube.
Yeah. We're gonna close out this video.